morning, and Inspect Bengaluru welcomes all of you to this unique seminar. I am Balaji, Chief Executive Officer of Inspect Bengaluru. We are glad to inform you that our Inspect Bengaluru received a prestigious National Excellence Award 2021 for conducting innovative skills development programs for job seekers and college students in South India. I have 25 plus years of global corporate experience and visited many Asian Pacific countries, and we have conducted skills empowerment and professional development programs in many prestigious institutions. Many times job seekers and students will come to our office and join the offline programs because which will be more effective to clarify all their doubts. Apart from Bangalore corporate office, we don't have any other branch in India or elsewhere. We have conducted many free online and offline motivational seminars for job seekers and college students on various topics which are motivational and inspirational to each one of the candidates. Don't miss to watch till the end. It will boost your morale and confidence, because even for a career counseling, now people are started charging money with the job seekers. In spite of that, we are conducting free programs for the benefit of job seekers and college students. See, today's seminar topic is, will I get the job or not? What happens sometimes when you're going for one job interview, you'll be able to qualify for that, so you'll be very happy. Most of the times candidates attend many interviews but they don't qualify for next round. Why? Major issue is you're not able to clear any interviews with a clear mind. After attending many interviews, you will be completely tired and exhausted, and you get lethargic. Sometimes your body will not support you because of negative thinking. That may be due to continuous failures in corporate interviews. Due to this, your enthusiasm also will go down. Candidate comes to major cities for searching relevant jobs. After a few months, you will stop attending the interviews and go back to your native cities because of tiredness in attending interviews. If someone asks you to try another interview, you will say, till now nothing has happened, so what great will happen in this next interview? So I've decided not to attend any interviews. It will be definitely a failure one. See, Swami Vivekananda always says, every failure is a stepping stone for success. We should never stop trying anything in our life. Don't give up now, because you will be giving up for your entire lifetime. One thing you must understand, that it's high time to introspect yourself, where I am really doing wrong in the interviews. You are not really meeting the requirements of the organization, hence the continuous rejections. Why to give up when we are here to help you? You don't know what corporate companies expects from you. What is the solution for this? When will I get the job? Why only experienced people are hired and not the freshers? Educational marks helps us only to some extent, but skills will take you to any heights. Main reason for rejection in interview is that you may be good in academic and technical skills but may be poor in non-technical skills. We are going to teach only the non-technical skills which are very important in your life and career. Then you may ask me, how do we become professionals? See, we have a fantastic SCPD solution in our organization and exclusively designed for all the job seekers and college students based on our global corporate experience. In many institutes, their academicians are teaching these skills, whereas they don't even have corporate knowledge. But in our organization, all the professionals are from corporates and They will share their experiences for your good future. We cover more than 40 skills in just 10 days. After the SCPD program, you will see something new in you. You can attend any interviews very confidently, impress the corporate HR managers easily. Convincing will be a very easy task for you, and get hired by any company. These are useful for your entire career growth and not just for attending the job interviews. Today your skills matters a lot in any organization more than academic grades. If you are really serious about your career and life, then contact us on 98806 72303. I repeat the number 98806 72303 for joining details. We assure you that you will be the most successful and skillful person in any organization, and you will be the best asset for any company. There is a prescribed affordable fee for joining this program. We are taking only 10 candidates per batch, and we have 2 batches per day. Morning batch is from 10:30 am to 12:30 pm and afternoon batch is from 2 pm to 4 pm. You can either join morning batch or afternoon batch according to your convenience. It's an online program, so you can learn from the comfort of your home. You can understand the skills and become a professional in a very short span of time. Finally, e-certificate will be issued to all the participants. Our whole motto is your career success. So my dear friends, don't worry about your gap of skills and previous interview failures. Just forget it and join Inspect Bengaluru for making your life and career beautiful. Thanks and have a wonderful day.